Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best budget LED video lights in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Neewer 5600K LED video light. If you frequently check for camera equipment and lights, you must be aware of Neewer already since it's one of the most affordable and reputed brands out there. The overall size of the light panel is 5.51 x 3.74 inches, and consists of 66 high-quality SMD LED bulbs. The lights are USB powered and can be plugged into any 5V, 2A USB wall charger for continuous use. You can even power them using a power bank, laptop, etc., but prolonged usage won't be possible in that case. With 100% brightness adjustments, it becomes easy to manage the lighting and get the perfect shot. However, adjusting color temperatures is not possible as it only delivers a 5600K light throw. For camera enthusiasts, this LED video light from Neewer comes as a complete package, if you generally shoot indoors. Speaking about the accessories, this whole package includes 2 mini tripods and 2 extension rods which can increase the tripod height from 22.5 cm to 1.16 m. Both the tripods are foldable, and lightweight too. Along with that, 2 light filters of red, yellow, blue color each, and 2 diffusers are also included in the package. Number 2. Our second best pick is Obeamiu 5600K 70 LED video light. If you are on a budget, you can check out the products from Obeamiu as it offers various kinds of camera equipment and accessories that don't make a huge hole in your pockets. This particular set of LED video lights consists of 3 light panels having 70 SMD LED bulbs each. That overall panel is adjustable and can be tilted at any angle. Although it only delivers a single light throw of 5600K color temperature, 1000 lumens of brightness would easily eliminate all the dark spots around the object. Not only that, you can simply adjust the brightness between 100% as per your needs. Also, the quality of the lighting it delivers is fantastic since the CRI is as good as greater than or equal to 97. The overall power consumption of these LED video lights is quite low, only around 10 W. You can simply use them via any USB 5V/2A adapter. All 3 light panels come with their own tripod stands, which are also height adjustable from 69 cm to 122.9 cm. Moreover, the package includes 3 diffuser filters, and 3 separate filters of red, yellow and blue color each. This set of LED video lights is the perfect value for money deal out there. Number 3. Our third best pick is UBeesize Store LED Video Light Kit. If you are looking for a video lighting solution with good quality construction, then UBeesize is the right brand. This video lighting kit comprises a small LED panel with 1/4 universal ball head. It can be adjusted up to 180 degrees as per your video recording requirements. The brightness level can be adjusted from 10% to 100% on your requirements. The light is equipped with 2 to 4 color filters that range from yellow, white, blue, orange, and red. This video lighting is suitable for a wide range of applications including video conferences, product photography, YouTube videos, online courses and others. Being a tabletop lighting solution, you can use it in the living room, bathroom, office, baby room, study room and others. The tripod available in this kit can also be used for selfies or as a mobile phone holder. It is USB powered, so you can connect it to a computer or laptop. Pros: light in weight, quality construction, value for money. Cons: warranty details not provided. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is VILTROX L116T LED Video Light. VILTROX, being one of the finest lights brands out there, has plenty of useful accessories for both photographers as well as videographers. Speaking of the L116T LED Video Light, we decided it should be placed at the first position on this list because of plenty of reasons. First of all, this video light is extremely rugged, yet weighs only 260 grams, and its dimensions are 192 x 128 by 25 millimeters. That said, you won't face any hassle carrying it for your outdoor shoots, and it won't even occupy much space in your bag. It supports NP F550/F750/F960 series Li polymer batteries, and can also be used with 12V/2A DC005 general interface. It's a set of 2 LED video lights, so you can creatively try some good lighting combinations with them. On top of that, the LED lights can be set at 2 different color temperatures, 3300K 5600K. Apart from that, the brightness of the LED lights can also be adjusted from 200%, simply with the help of the adjustment knob. At the back, a small LCD panel is also given that shows you the information about light settings. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is RALENO LED Video Light. Several good brands out there are trying to compete by offering affordable price deals, and RALENO is one such brand that delivers highly durable LED lights even in the lower price range. First of all, we personally like this LED video light from RALENO because of its small and exquisite design. The high-grade acrylic light guide plate is pre-installed and does a great job of diffusing the light, and making it appear soft. As we speak about the lights, you would love the step-less color temperature adjustment feature of this light, as you can simply choose any color temperature between 3200K and 5600K effortlessly. Moreover, even the brightness of the light is also fully adjustable. It uses a built-in 5000 mAh lithium battery that lasts for about 9110 minutes on continuous usage. Since it is USB powered, you can even connect this light to a power bank, USB wall charger, laptop, and car charger as well. If you are concerned about the quality of light it delivers, its CRI is above 95, which is quite satisfactory. Although you can easily mount this light on any of the shooting devices, a separate tripod is not included in the package for this light. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.